If you want to create a folder in the home screen on OPPO Find X9, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, you can press and hold your finger on any of the apps that you have on the home screen and then drop it on top of another app in order to quickly create a folder. Of course, after that, we can just keep adding apps into the folder. And if you want to, you can of course go into the folder and change the name quite easily, like this. Of course, we also have some personalization or customization of these folders. For example, we can grab them like this. We can extend it like that. There we go, easy. And we also have different layouts for these folders as well. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen in order to go into this editing mode, and you can select apps that should be added into the folder. So let's say I have selected actually these 4 apps over here, and at the bottom we have create folder option. And there we go, the folder is immediately created. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.